Welcome back to iRise online classes. Indices search continuation. See the next question. What is the value of 2 plus root of 2 plus root of 2 plus root of plus and so on up to infinity, actually up to infinity. Here leave this. If continuous roots are given, if this can be written as product of two consecutive integers, then bigger one is the answer. So for this, the value is 2. Okay, plus already this is 2. So what is the answer? 2 plus 2, which is equal to 4. This is the value of this is 2 root of 2 plus root of 2 plus root of 2 plus and so on. If this can be written as a product of two consecutive integers, then bigger one is the answer. The formula is root of a plus root of a plus root of a plus and so on given. The answer is the formula is root of 1 plus 4a plus 1 by 2, where 2a is equal to 2. 2 4s are 8. 8 plus 1 9. Root 9 is 3. 3 plus 1 4 by 2 2. So this value is equal to 2. Already plus 2 is there. So answer is 4 for this question. Okay, next one. See the next question. 3 by root 5 plus root 2 minus 5 by root 2 plus root 7 plus 2 by root 7 plus root 5 is equal to how much? I want to write directly this as root 5 plus root 2 minus 5 by, first write a big number, root 7 plus root 2 plus 2 by root 7 plus root 5. Directly rationalize 3 into, after rationalization we get root 5 minus root 2 by 3. Minus 5 into root 7 minus root 2 by 7 minus 2 5 plus root 2 into root 7 minus root 5 by 7 minus 5 2. 2 cancel, 5 cancel, 3 cancel. You get root 5 minus root 2 minus root 7 plus root 2 plus root 7 minus root 5. All the terms gets cancelled. So answer is 0 for this question. Answer is 0. Okay. Next question. If x is equal to root of a plus b minus root of a minus b by root of a plus b plus root of a minus b, then what is bx square minus 2ax plus b? I want to solve this question like this. X by 1 is equal to root of a plus b minus root of a minus b by root of a plus b plus root of a minus b. Okay, then add and subtract. I want to use componendo and dividendo here. Componendo and dividendo. Add these two, x plus 1 by subtract x minus 1 is equal to, add these two, 2 root a plus b by subtract this minus this minus 2 root a minus b. Okay, then what we get here? 2 gets cancelled. Okay, squaring we get x plus 1 whole square by x minus 1 whole square is equal to, roots gets cancelled, we get a plus b by a minus b after squaring. Then again apply componendo and dividendo place. Again apply componendo and dividendo. Then what we get here? X plus 1 whole square plus x minus 1 whole square by x plus 1 whole square minus x minus 1 whole square is equal to sum of these two, difference of these two, denominator. Sum of these two, difference of these two. Okay, then here 2 cancel. This is implies a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square is equal to 2 times a square plus b square. A plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square is 4ab. 4 into x into 1 is equal to a by b. Okay, 2 1s are 2 2's cancel, cross multiply, bx square, sorry, bx square plus b is equal to 2ax. If you transfer to the left side, bx square minus 2ax plus b is equal to 0. So answer for this is 0. Applying componendo and dividendo 2 times gives the answer easily. Okay. So this type of questions also there in previous examinations. Next question. Same model question. Here if this value is equal to this, then what is a is to b? Root of a plus 2b plus root of a minus 2b by root of a plus 2b minus root of a minus 2b is equal to root 3 by 1. I want to write like this. Then apply componendo and dividendo. If you add these two, what we get? If you add these two, 2 times root of a plus 2b by this minus this, 2 times root of a minus 2b is equal to root 3 plus 1 by root 3 minus 1, 2 cancel. Squaring on both sides, again this is a plus 2b by a minus 2b is equal to, square of this is nothing but 3 plus 1 plus 2 root 3 by 3 plus 1 minus 2 root 3. Again apply componendo and dividendo. Sum of these two is equal to 2a by difference of these two 4b is equal to sum of these two 8 by difference of these two, this minus this is nothing but 4 root 3. Okay, 4 cancel here, 2 1s 2 4s cancel. So a by b is equal to 4 by root 3. A is to b is equal to 4 is to root 3. Next question. This is also same as the previous one. I want to write this as x by 1 is equal to cube root of m plus 1 plus cube root of m minus 1 by cube root of m plus 1 minus cube root of m minus 1. Apply componendo and dividendo. Add these two. X plus 1 by x minus 1 is equal to, sum of these two is 2 into cube root of m plus 1 by 2 into cube root of m minus 1. Here 2 cancel. Just a minute. 2 gets cancelled. Then taking cube root on both sides, x plus 1 whole cubed by x minus 1 whole cubed is equal to m plus 1 by m minus 1. M plus 1 by m minus 1. Then again apply componendo and dividendo. X plus 1 whole cube plus x minus 1 whole cubed by x plus 1 whole cubed minus x minus 1 whole cubed is equal to sum of these two, 2m by difference of these two, 2 cancel. I want to use these two formulae. What is a plus b whole cube plus a minus b whole cube? This is nothing but 2 times a cube plus 3ab square. Similarly, what is a plus b whole cube minus a minus b whole cube? 2 times b cube plus 3ba square. I have given these two formulae. So therefore, this can be written as 2 times a cube plus 3 into x into 1 3x by 2 times b cube is 1 plus 3 into 1 into x square 3x square is equal to m by 1. Here 2 also gets cancelled. Just cross multiply, what you get? 1 into x cube 1 into 3x is equal to m into 1 m into 3x square 3m x square x cube minus 3m x square minus 3x minus m plus 3x minus m is equal to 0. That is the question. So answer for this question is 0. Here also applying componendo and dividendo 2 times. These are all the questions of the same model, okay, not same questions. Here cube root, in previous question is square. Okay, next. This is a simple question, root of 42 minus root of 42 root of 42 and so on. Here x is equal to root of 42 minus root of 42 minus root of 42 and so on given up to infinity. If this can be written as a product of two consecutive integers 6 and 7, the minimum is the answer. The answer for this question is 6. Answer is 6. Okay, the answer is 6. Actually, the value is less than 6, please. If this is subtracted, okay, then this value is nearly 42, means it is more than 6. If it is more than 6, 42 minus 6, that means the value of this is lies between root 35 and root 36, which is equal to 6. Actually, the question should be approximately equal to 6. Between 6 and 7 is wrong. Greater than 5 means is not correct. Between 5 and 6 is given, that is also correct. But it is nearer to exact. This is not exact value, please. Already I have told this is an irrational number. The irrational number should not be exactly equal to a rational number. Okay, actually this lies between 5 and 6. Okay, so here greater than 5 is not perfectly right, and even 6 is also not perfectly right. It is lies between 5 and 6, but is very nearer to 6. The value of this is nothing but 5.999999 and so on. Okay, next question. If x is equal to y is equal to given, what is x square plus xy plus y square? See, product of these two is equal to 1. Then what is x plus y? These models are already solved. Root 3 minus root 2 by root 3 plus root 2 plus root 3 plus root 2 by root 3 minus root 2 is x plus y value. This is root 3 minus root 2 whole square plus root 3 plus root 2 whole square by 3 minus 2. Denominator is 1, which is equal to a minus b whole square plus a plus b whole square root of a square plus b square. 5 into 2 value is 10. If x plus y is 10, then what is x square plus xy plus y square? This is the question. This can be written as x plus y whole square minus xy, 10 square minus 1. Okay, 10 square minus 1, which is equal to 99, is a multiple of, this is the question. 99 is a multiple of 11 and also 3 as well as 9. So answer is all a comma b comma c. It is a multiple of 3, it is a multiple of 9, it is a multiple of 11. So answer is all a, b, c. Okay, next. If root 5 minus root 2 p is equal to root 5 plus root 2. So what is p value? First, root 5 plus root 2 by root 5 minus root 2. This is p value. The given condition is PQ is equal to PQ whole cube. What is the meaning of this? Here PQ whole cube is equal to PQ. 1 PQ cancel, PQ whole square is equal to 1. So PQ must be equal to 1. So Q is a reciprocal of P. Q is a reciprocal of P. So therefore, if PQ is minus 1 whole cube is also minus 1. If PQ is 1 cube is also 1. So either Q is equal to 1 by P or minus 1 by P. The value clearly not given. So I want to consider Q as plus 1 by P. Okay. Then what is the answer for this question? See, this is nothing but root 5 minus root 2 by root 5 plus root 2. Then what is P minus Q? Okay. So here P minus Q can be written as, I want to write first P square plus Q square. P square minus Q square. I want to write P square minus Q square. Here this is P square root 5 plus root 2 by root 5 minus root 2 whole square, okay, minus root 5 minus root 2 by root 5 plus root 2 whole square. Then what we get? Actually this is nothing but 7 plus root 10 after squaring. This is nothing but 7 minus root 10. This is 7 minus root 10 by 7 plus root 10. So the denominator is 49 minus 10 minus 10. Sorry, 2 root 10 a square plus b square minus 2ab. 2 root 10 2. 4 into 10 is 40. This value is 40. We get 7 plus 2 root 10 whole square plus 7 minus 2 root 10 whole square in the numerator. So this is just a P square minus Q square value. Here if you know this, PQ is already 1. So what we get here? This is in the form of a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square, which is equal to 2 times a square is 49 plus b square 4 into time 40 by 49 minus 40 is equal to 9. So therefore, what is the answer for this question? 3p square, sorry, here if this is minus, sorry please, if this is minus, I want to write minus here. This is also minus. A square minus, this is wrong. A plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square is equal to 4ab. So the answer is 4 into a, b is 2 root 10 by 9. A plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square is equal to 4ab. Minus is there, not plus. Okay, so this is the value of this one. So what is 3 into p square minus q square plus 4 into pq? This is the question. P square minus q square is nothing but 27 2s 56 root 10 by 9 plus 4. Okay, 3 ones 3 3s cancel, LCM is 3, 3 4s 12 plus 56 root 10. This is the answer for this question. 12 plus 56 root 10 by 3. The answer is this one. 12 plus 56 root 10 by 3. Okay. So if minus is there between, the formula is 4ab. If plus is there, 2 into a square plus b square. Just I have done mistake here. Okay. Next one. Root of 5 minus 6 plus root of 5 plus 6 is equal to 6. What is the value of x? Here not necessary to solve this question. Just here see the options. The options gives the answer. Minus 4 is not the answer. Even 0 is also not the answer. If you put 0, it is imaginary. You have to put either 2 or 4. Okay, if you put 2, what we get here? 2 5 is 10 minus 6 root 4. 2 5 is 10 plus 6 root 16. This is 4, this is 2, solved. So the answer is 2. Okay, so 4 if you substituted, it is not a perfect square. So answer for this question is 2. This is also same model question. Root of 6x minus 17 plus root of 6x plus 8 is equal to 5 root 2 plus 1. Root of 6x minus 17 plus root of 6x plus 8 is equal to 5 root 2 plus 5. This is the question. Here one root is a rational number, other root is irrational. For what value? I want to put a 7 here. 7 6 are 42 minus 17. 42 minus 17 is 25. Root 25 is 5. So satisfied. And if you put a 7 here, 7 6 are 42 plus 8 root 50. Root 50 can be written as 5 root 2. So 5 plus 5 root 2 is the answer. So answer for this question is 7. Okay. If you put any other value, you don't get a integer part. Okay. So answer for this question is 7. Next one. If x plus root of x square minus 1 plus x by x minus root of x square plus 1, x minus root of x square plus 1 by x plus root of x square minus 1 is 194, then what is x? Here simplify this. I want to directly direct simplification. Product of these two is nothing but x square minus x square minus 1. The numerator is x plus root of x square minus 1 whole square plus x minus root of x square minus 1 whole square after taking LCM is equal to 194. This is in the form of a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square, which is 2 times a square plus b square. B square is x square minus 1 by x square cancel, we get 1 is equal to 194. 2 1s, 2 9s 18, 14, 2 7s 14. If 1 is transferred, 2x square is equal to 98, x square is equal to 49, implies x is equal to 7. So answer for this question is 7. Okay, next. This is also same model. As same model means not a previous one, a previous question. Root of 5 plus x plus root of 5 minus x by root of 5 plus x minus root of 5 minus x is equal to 3. I want to write it as 3 by 1. Apply componendo and dividendo. What we get here? If you add these two, 2 root 5 plus x by 2 root 5 minus x is equal to, add these two, 4 by subtract 2. 2 cancel, 2 1s 2 2's cancel. Again squaring on both sides, 5 plus x by 5 minus x is equal to, okay, squaring, this gives 4 by 1. 4 by 1. Then again apply componendo and dividendo. Sum of these two is 10 by difference of these two is 2x is equal to sum of these two is 5, okay, by difference of these two is 3. 2 1s 2 5's cancel, 5 5 cancel, so therefore x is equal to 3. The answer is 3. Okay, apply componendo and dividendo, squaring, again apply componendo and dividendo, that gives the answer. Just 3-4 questions are there in the previous questions based on this concept. Next. 5 power x plus 1 minus 5 power x minus 1 is 600. Then what is 10 power 2x? For what value of x this is satisfied? I want to write this as 5 power x into 5 minus 5 power x by 5 is equal to 600. Taking 5 power x common, we get 5 5s, 5 minus, I want to write one more step, is equal to 600. So 5 power x into 25 minus 1, 24 by 5 is equal to 600. 12 2s, 12 50s, 2 1s, 2 25s. So therefore 5 power x is equal to 25 into 5, that is 5 cube. This implies x is equal to 3. If x is equal to 3, then what is 10 power 2x? 10 power 6. So 6 zeros must be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is the answer. Okay. 10 power 6 is this one. Next question. If x is equal to 6th root of 27 minus, if you simplify this, 6 4s are 24 plus 3, 27 by 4. This is x value. So after simplification, this can be written as 3 cube whole power 1 by 6 minus this is 3 root 3 root of 27 by root of 4 is 2. Here this is 3 6 gets cancelled. We get root 3 minus 3 root 3 by 2. 2 root 3 minus 3 root 3 root 3 by 2. This is the value of x. This is x. Okay, the value is minus root 3 by 2. Then what is y? Y is equal to root 45. Root 45 can be written as root of 9 into 5. Root of 605 can be written as 5 into 121. Root of 245 can be written as 5 into 49 by root 80 can be written as 5 into 16. Very simple. This is 5 into 25. So in all this, take root 5 common in the numerator. Root 9 is 3. This is 11. This is 7 by root 5 common in the denominator 4 plus 5. What we get here? 18 plus 3, 21 by 9, which is equal to 3 7s, 3 3. 7 by 3 is the value of y. Then what is x square plus y square? X square is 3 by 4. Squaring of this. Y square is 49 by 9. Simplify this. LCM is 36. Here 36 in two options. 27 plus 449s, 200 minus 4, 196. Okay, this is 223 by 36 is the answer. The answer for this question is 223 by 36. Okay, next one. What is the simplest form of 4pth root of z power 6? The first term can be written as z power 6 by 4p divided by, second term can be written as z power minus 5 by 2p. So after simplification, what we get? This is z power. This can be written as 3 by 2p plus 5 by 2p. Okay, a power m by a power n is equal to a power m minus n. If this is transferred, it becomes pi by 2p, which is equal to z power 8 by 2p, 2 1s 2 4s cancel, is equal to z power 4 by p, which is equal to pth root of z power 4 is the answer. Pth root of z power 4. Okay, next question. What are the values of a, b, c in the expression is an integer? Very important. So if it is an integer, then what are the values of a, b, c? Here this can be, I want to write directly, square root of a cube can be written as a power 3 by 2. This is b power minus 2 by 6, square root of this one. C power minus 7 by 12. Okay, root means 1 by 2. This is cube root, right? 1 by 3 here. A power 4 by 3. B power minus 1 by 3. C power 5 by 12. Okay. Here minus 2 by 6 and minus 1 by 3, actually these two gets cancelled, means it does not depend on B, because they gets cancelled. So the value integer does not depend on B, it depends on only A and C. Simplify this, this can be written as A power 3 by 2 minus 4 by 3. 3 by 2 minus 4 by 3, this is 9 minus 8 by 6, 1 by 6. So to get integer, a should be a power of 6. So what is power of 6 here? Either 2 power 6, 2 power 6 64, or 3 power 6 729. So this is not the answer, this is power of 5, this is not the answer, this is power of 4. Okay, next one, C. C power is minus 7 by 12 minus 5 by 12 equal to C power minus 1. C power minus 1. Here if C is 3, this becomes 1 by 3. C power minus 1 is 1 by 3, which is not an integer. So C should be a reciprocal of an integer. If it is reciprocal of an integer, C is 1 by 6, 1 by 6 power minus 1 is an integer. So product of these two integers gives integer. So answer for this question is A is 729 and C is 1 by 6. B may be any number because they gets cancelled. Okay, so answer for this question is second option. Next. 9 power 2x minus 1 minus 81 power x minus 1 is 1944. What is the value of x? Here 9 can be written as 3 square power 2x minus 1 minus 3 power 4 power x minus 1 is equal to 1944. This is 3 power 4x minus 2 minus 3 power 4x minus 4 is equal to 1944. I want to take 3 power 4x common. 3 power minus 2 is 1 by 9. Okay, 3 power minus 4 is 1 by 81, 9 square is equal to 1944. So simplify this one. What we get? 3 power 4x into LCM is 81. Okay, 9 minus 1 which is equal to 8 is equal to 9944. Cancel with 8. 8 ones, 8 to 16, 34, 4s 32, 24, 8 3s. So 3 power 4x is equal to this 243 is 3 power 5 into this is 3 power 4 which is equal to 3 power 9. So 3 power 4x is equal to 3 power 9, 4x is equal to 9, x is equal to 9 by 4, x is 9 by 4. Okay, simple question. Just to take a 3 power 4x common and simplify. Next one. This is also same as this one. Equate the powers. 9 power 9 can be written as 3 square power x minus half minus 2 power 2x minus 2 is equal to 2 square power x. 3 power 2x minus 3. This can be written as 3 power 2x minus 1 minus 2 power 2x minus 2 is equal to 2 power 2x minus 3 power 2x minus 3. I want to write 3 powers on one side, 2 powers on the other side. 3 power 2x by 3, if you transfer this, 3 power 2x by 3 cube 27 is equal to 2 power 2x, if we transfer this, plus 2 power 2x by 2 power minus 2 is 4. Then what we get here? This is equal to 3 power 2x common. You get 1 by 3 plus 1 by 27. 2 power 2x common, we get 1 plus 1 by 4. 3 power 2x by 2 power 2x is equal to, this is 5 by 4 by, what we get after simplification, this is denominator is 27. Okay, 3 nines, 9 plus 1, 10. This is 3 by 2 whole power 2x is equal to, after simplification what we get here? 5 by 4 into 27 by 10. 5 ones, 5 twos cancel. This is 27 by 8, 3 by 2 cube. So 2x is equal to 3, x is equal to 3 by 2 is the answer. X is equal to 3 by 2. Okay, 3 by 2 whole power 2x is equal to, here we get 27 by 8 can be written as 3 by 2 whole cube. Bases are same, we can equate the powers. It's a good question because the condition is not so easy. Next question. Wow, this is big numbers are given here. If this type of questions given, okay, don't do first. Okay, if time is there to solve, then only you can solve the questions. Here 5x, 5 power x, I want to consider this as A, 3 power y consider as B. Then the first condition is A minus B is equal to 13438. Second condition is, this is nothing but 5 power x by 5 plus 3 into 3 power y is equal to 9686. This is A by 5 minus 3b is equal to 9686. I want to multiply it by 5. I think this is plus, not minus. Multiplied by 5, you get A plus 15b is equal to, okay, what we get? Multiplied by 5 means divided by 2 into 10. 96860 by 2. Okay, so any number, for example 37 multiplied by 5 means into 2 divided by 2. So 370 by 2 is the simplest method. Then what we get here? 2 4s 8, 16, 2 8 16, 2 4s, 2 3s 0, 4830 is 15b. This minus this, subtract, minus. A minus A 0, 15 minus B, 16b is equal to 10 minus 8 is 2. Okay, 3 minus 2 minus 3 is 9. 13 minus 12 minus 13. This is 13 minus 4 is 9. 7 minus 3, 4. 4 minus 1, 3. This is the value of 16b divided by 16. B is equal to 16 ones, 16 twos 32, 29, 16 ones 16. Okay, then what to get? 29 minus 16, 139, 8, 7. So 2187 is the value. What is B? B is nothing but 3 power y. This is nothing but 3 power 7. 3 power 6 already 729 multiplied by 3. 3 9s 27, 3 2s 8, 3 7s 21, 2187. So yeah, 3 power y is equal to 3 power 7. So y is equal to 7. Y is equal to 7. 3 power y is 2157. Substitute in this. Okay, then what we get? What is the x value? What is the x value? Here 5 power x minus 3 power y is 3 power 7, which is equal to 2187 is equal to 134. It's a big number, I think. I want to substitute in the second one. I want to substitute in the second one. 5 power x minus 1, 5 power x minus 1 plus 3 power y into 3. So this is multiplied by 3. What we get here? 3 into 2187 is equal to 9686. This is the condition. I want to use the second condition. So 5 power x minus 1 is equal to 9686 minus 3 7s 21. 6561. 6561. Then what we get? 6 minus 1 is 5. 8 minus 6 is 2. 6 minus 5 is 1. Okay. 9 minus 6 is 3. 3125 already know. This is nothing but 625 into 5. 5 power 5. 5 power x minus 1. 5 power 4 is 625 multiplied by 5, we get this one. So x minus 1 is equal to 5, x is equal to 6. X is 6, y is 7. What is x plus y? 6 plus 7, 13 is the answer. Okay, answer is 13. So big numbers, if you know perfect cubes and squares, then only we can get the answer. Okay, next. Oh, I think the question 9 power x can be written as 3 power 2x into 3 power y is equal to 2187. That is 3 power 2x plus y is equal to, already know, this is nothing but 3 power 7. 3 power 7 is 2187. Just we solved in the previous this one. So 2x plus y is equal to 7. This is one condition. In the second condition, 2 power sum of these two is nothing but 3x plus 2y is equal to 4 power xy. This is 3x plus 2y is equal to 2 power 2xy. So 2xy. This is second condition. So these two conditions satisfied by which of these values? See, options are 7, 5, 3, 4. Here the options are integers. How to check the values? 2x plus y is equal to 7. This is odd number. 2x is even number. Even number, y must be odd number. For what value of y? Here y may be either 1 or 3. Okay, or 5. 1 or 3 or 5. If y is equal to 1, correspondingly what is x? Y is equal to 1, x is 3. Y is equal to 3, x is 2. Y is equal to 5, x is 1. For what values of this is satisfied? Okay, if you put the first one in this, then what we get? 3 3 is 9 plus 2 is equal to 2xy is impossible, because this is a product of xy with a 2. It is an even number. So this is not possible. The second one, 2 comma 3. If x is 2, this is 6. Y is 3, 3 to 6. If you put here 2 into x is 2, y is 3, this is 12, 12 satisfied. So the answer for this is x is equal to 2, y is equal to 3. So then what is x plus y? The answer is 5. The answer for this question is 5. Okay. So this is about the questions in indices and surds. Okay. Thank you.